Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna compare Hostinger hosting with Bluehost hosting. So first of all, what we want to look at is actually the pricing. So if you want just a web hosting, not a cloud hosting, like 300 websites, you actually can start from just €1.49 per month. Now there's also a premium for €3 per month and business web hosting for $4 per month. As you can see, this is just for the first month. As I understand, the plan renews at 3, at 6, and at 8 per month, but it actually doesn't cost a lot. You can actually look at how much you can get. So as you can see, the pricing doesn't really differ, but here you just get one website, here you can get 100 websites. Now you can also get here a free email, but on the cheapest plan, you can actually get a free SSL certificate, which is really great. Now you get a free domain also when you buy a more expensive plan. And also, as you can see, there's actually not much else left. Of course, the most expensive one will have the most benefits. They have everything you need, actually. The backup, catch for WordPress, staging tool, free automatic website migration, and so on and so forth. You also get a free domain and free CDN. So this is the pricing of Hostinger. Also, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. You can get a discount by signing up. And now on Bluehost, as you can see, it's a little bit pricier. You can actually pay, like, for example, $3 per month if you have a 12-month term. Now it auto renews at a regular rate, which means that it would be $12 after 1 year. So you have to keep that in mind. But it's a little bit pricier than Hostinger. And now what you get. If you have a basic plan, as you can see, you get only 10 gigabytes of web storage, which is actually a really small amount. And you will probably, I don't know, maybe you will get through with this, but it's not a lot. Now, for the free SSL, you get it just for the first year with basic. So I suggest you just buy these plans plus, Choice Plus, or Pro, because you will need SSL and it costs a little bit. Now, what you get also, now the number of websites. As you can see, you can get only like 1, 2, 3, or 5 with these plans, while on Hostinger you get 100 websites with a premium plan. So now Hostinger is way better for this. Storage, we already talked about. Now, what you don't get also, here it is, daily website backup. So you don't get it with basic and plus plans. You get it only for free just for the first year, while here on Hostinger, for example, if you pay $4 per month, you get it just like so, and you will always have it. And the privacy also just for the first year, just, and then you will need to pay again, not only the normal amount, but also the domain privacy. And what else we have here? Basically, you get everything like so, like Pro Tools, you also get it with these plans. But from what we are seeing here, for the price point, Hostinger is way better. Now, also for me, I used both of them. The Hostinger navigation tools and so on and so forth are way easier to use than Bluehost. So here on Bluehost, for example, it's a little bit harder. As you can see, uh, there are some backups. As you can see, you need to buy it again, add some plugins. Sometimes these buttons doesn't work. Basically, it's way harder with Bluehost, and sometimes, as I said, for example, as you can see right now, I cannot click my profile button, my profile icon, because it just doesn't work. Something is wrong with Bluehost on this, but yeah, it's actually quite great because it's integrated with WordPress, so it's really easy to create a website here and so on and so forth. But they have a lot of add-ons which you have to pay for, and so on. Now on Hostinger, it's really easy to navigate. They have a really great website and basically to use it. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. For me, for example, I would choose Hostinger because it's easier, it's cheaper, you get a lot of things from here. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.